Hey there, welcome back friends. In our previous videos we have checked quite a few basic concepts related to JSP and servlets. Now friends, using the concepts which we have learned already, we will build this very small little application in our next video. Now friends, for example, we click on these links which are provided in this application, then definitely the application is working and we are redirected to some other URL. Now these URLs are important. Why? Because these URLs are based on a servlet and the name of the servlet is controller and the controller is handling the request, which is very good. Alright, and in fact there is also a fail-safe mechanism. For example, we pass on some weird text in the URL and the servlet is handling the URL. In that case, the servlet will give us a error message that there is some issue with the URL. So this is cool, right? Now friends, your task is to create an application similar to this, and definitely first of all you need to create the view, and inside the view you need to create the URLs. Let me give you a quick sneak peek of how we have generated the URL. Do Google and try to research on context path. Context path are used to get the base URL of our web application. So that's one thing. And apart from that, in our controller we are taking help of what? Forwarding the request, and we are also taking help of reading the parameter, and that's it. Alright, so do research, try to build this very simple web application by yourself, and if there is any confusion, in our next video we have detailed description that how we have built this basic web application. Alright, so this is it for today's video. Do try the exercise, it will definitely help, and I will catch you in the next video with the complete explanation of how we have built this very basic application based on MVC. Alright, thanks for watching and take care.